Jacqueline Fernandez is going to be appearing before Delhi's Patiala House Court today. Jacqueline Fernandez will reach the court at around 10 a.m. along with her lawyers Prashant Patel and Shakti Pandey. Now today, the arguments on charges will begin in the case. First, the prosecution will put forth its submissions before the court. Crossing over CNN News 18's legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar to tell us more. Ananya, could you take us through what Jacqueline's defense has been in connection to the case and again what we're likely to see today?
Well, definitely, Aisha. Jacqueline's defense has been in this particular case is that she's a victim in this particular matter, and she also has been conned instead of what she's being portrayed by the enforcement director. That is, as an accused in this particular case, she says that she was also one of those victims which Sukesh had duped, and in fact conned while he had extorted money from the businessman's wife. Now, what is the prosecution's charge against? In fact, what is the prosecution's charge against Jacqueline Fernandez? The prosecution says that she was well aware of Sukesh Chandrasekhar's criminal antecedents. Still, in fact, just went on receiving money from Sukesh Chandrasekhar and was a part and parcel to this money laundering that was happening. Now, today, what would happen is that the prosecution would start arguments on charge. The prosecution would put forth why various charges are made against various accused, which is Section 3, Section 4 of the PMLA for using and laundering the money of tainted money. And the prosecution would be justifying as to what evidence does it have in order to prosecute all of these people. And at the end of this argument, after the defense has also argued its particular defense, is that the court would either frame charges or discharge the particular accused in this particular case. So this is a lengthy process which takes at least 2 or 3 days, and we'll have to wait and watch as to whether or not Jacqueline would be in fact discharged or would be charged in this particular case, while the other accused too would be charged or discharged in this case. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how in fact the enforcement directorate argues, because remember that this is the last stage of the pre-trial, and we'll have to wait and watch as to how things would pan out in this particular case.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for joining us.